Konnichiwa and Salam Alaikum. In corporate news this week, the DFM exchanges continue to test just below 2,200 levels, closing at 2,193 today, and it appears to have formed a solid base around 2,100 to 2,200, with oil prices hovering around between 65 and 70 US dollars a barrel. With strong recent share price rallies in some of our preferred companies such as DFM, Eldar and DP World, we believe that the best short-term value lies within Arabtech, price target 4.18, and also Air Arabia, price target 1.33. In corporate news this week, Arabtech has been awarded the first contract for testing foundation works at the Oktar Center in St. Petersburg, Russia. The overall project is estimated to be worth 10 billion dirhams. The first contract is worth 50 million, and the subsequent two contracts expected to be awarded by the end of the year are each estimated to be worth 50 million dirhams each. These contracts are separate from the total project of 10 billion dirhams. Other investment banks around the GCC region continue to upgrade their recommendations on Eldar properties listed on the ADX. Our share price target is 5.71 dirhams per share, and the stock has rallied strongly in recent months. We believe that the next key catalyst to get the Eldar share price higher will be related to property prices in Abu Dhabi, and also the company transitioning to more of an investment property model where recurring income supplements earnings from land sales and actual building sales. We believe that the company will continue to transform into this model over the next 2 to 3 years, and therefore represents strong investment potential over this time frame. Emaar Properties joint venture in India, Emaar MGF, has today lodged a red herring prospectus with the Securities Exchange Board of India, aiming to list an IPO equivalent to 800 million US or 2.9 billion dirhams. Emaar has 29 residential, commercial and retail projects currently under construction at various stages in India, as well as a significant land bank. And obviously the company is looking to tap into the recent resurgence in equity and property markets in India and list its joint venture. The IPO price and proceeds will be determined by book build over the coming weeks, and we believe that overall the deal is a positive for Emaar, as it's likely to release cash flow back into the parent company and supplement weaker earnings from the UAE during the last 6 months. Contractor Drake and Skull, listed on the DFM, has been awarded its first contract in Thailand since entering that market this year. The contract is for 130 million dirhams for mechanical, electrical and plumbing works on the river development. UAE-based telco Etisalat is reportedly looking at buying a stake in Morocco's number 2 telecommunications company, Meditel. It has fierce competition, however, and from Bahrain operator Belteco and Egypt's Orascom to acquire a stake in the company. We hold a price target of above 14 dirhams per share on Etisalat. In other corporate news, National Bank of Abu Dhabi, one of our preferred UAE banks, has announced that it plans to acquire assets worth around US $1 billion in an aviation joint venture with DVB Bank SE. NBAD, of course, has an alliance with Japanese-based Tokyo Mitsubishi Bank. That's all for corporate news this week. Happy investing, Ilarika, and sayonara!